So let's pronounce those words with a schwa sound, having a letter A at the nature. We don't say among. Well, we say a man, a man. So it's not called among. We say a man. We do not say ability. It doesn't sound up. No, it doesn't sound up. It sounds ability, ability. Ability. Unless we do not say abandon. Or no, when we say abandon. Abandon. Unless we do not say about. It doesn't sound up. It's a word about. About. We do not say amount. No, it's wrong. It's a word. Amount. We do not say academy. No, it's wrong. It's a word. Academy. Academy. And the next one we do not say accommodation. No. What do we say? Accommodation. We do not say affirm. We say what? Affirm. So we have affirm. Again, affirm. We have affirm. Then the next we do not say every one of us knows how to pronounce this. We have again. And the last one we have acquire, not acquire. You say what? Acquire. Bye.